Ladies and gents, Six Figs here from YouTube. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a whole bunch of stuff. Everything from the Nervos network ecosystem news and charts to price action. Woo! And we are going to be talking about account abstraction in this video as well. So you'll learn something new right alongside with me. I've got an understanding of what account abstraction is, and I'm thinking that I'm going to bring in one of the Nervos team members to maybe explain it in an interview or something later on down the road. But we got an absolute stone cold stunner out of Nervos Network on Twitter, CKB community. We're sponsoring BitcoinEnergySummit.com and have tickets to give away. Enter to win a great time with the Nervos Network team and like minds who support sustainability as much as we do. March 26th, 27th, if you're in the area of Miami, Florida, you can attend this. I do believe the tickets are roughly around $350, but you can enter for some free tickets. Like, retweet, and comment what you love about Miami. I will fly down there to go to this for sure. But they have a featured speaker, Matt Quinn, and he talks a lot about account abstraction on his Twitter handle. But Nervos Network yesterday dropped this tweet. Account abstraction is now top of mind with Ethereum ZK Sync and Starkware Limited making consistent progress. We tip a cap to the CKB core team for demonstrating the potential of truly abstract accounts diligently working to secure assets with quantum resistant cryptography. And we'll get into the CKB developer news here in just a second, but I thought it would be kind of fun, right, to pull up a little Chat GPT. We're going to ask Chat GPT, and keep in mind that this may or may not be the correct answer, but that is why I want to bring in someone from Nervos or someone that can explain at a high level and at a dumbed down level what exactly account abstraction is. As you guys can see, we've got Chat GPT just firing away. Gave me a nice short description, so let's see what it says. Account abstraction is a feature of some blockchain networks that allow smart contracts to pay for transaction fees on behalf of users, rather than requiring users to pay transaction fees directly with the native cryptocurrency of the network. This feature enables greater flexibility for developers to build more complex smart contract applications that can cover transaction fees in a variety of ways, such as by accepting payment in other cryptocurrencies or by using tokens specific to their own application. By abstracting away the need for users to hold and spend native cryptocurrency, account abstraction can help reduce friction and increase adoption of blockchain technology. Now, that statement right there is still kind of complicated for the average person to really truly understand at a deeper level, but this skims the surface of what account abstraction is. But we've got a tweet out of CKB Dev. The latest CKB updates bring a boost to developer experience and asset security. Can't wait to try out the quantum resistant lock script. That's the kind of stuff I'm excited for, folks, is this quantum resistance stuff. We're seeing how easy it is right now, even for like AI technology, to give us a pretty accurate, or what could be a pretty accurate description of what account abstraction is, things like that. And you could only imagine if AI gets smarter and smarter, building super quantum computers, like this quantum technology, this hacker-proof stuff is needed. Otherwise, say goodbye to everything digital online. Like, no data will be safe. What's new? We'll just kind of skim through this. The 2023 hard fork is already in the works, and we'll announce additional details as soon as we finish gathering proposals. CKB VM, enhanced owner mode on XUDT by setting blah, blah, blah. We won't get into that. All right. What's coming? The CKB VM deploy quantum resistant lock script on testnet and create sample transactions, and begin testing the implementation of RISC VA extension. These are both two things that I want to talk to some programmers or developers about 100%. But you guys can see you know, they're getting work done over at Nervos Network. This is like we're in like the deep part of a bear market, and they're building away. This is exactly the type of thing that you guys want to see from an organization that is supporting a blockchain. If you're interested in kind of onboarding into the Nervos Network community or kind of getting your feet wet, hop on over to Nervos Nation. We've got a fun little Twitter Spaces coming up Tuesday, March 14th, 6 p.m. Central Time. You can also hit up Nervos Nation on Telegram, and you can get there by hitting up their Twitter account in the description. So tell them Six Figs sent you. Let's look at the markets and charts here for us a quick second. We got the top 200 here. I'm not seeing CKB off the top of my head, so let's see where our baby is. Okay, fell down to 202, current price of 0.00338. But has anybody heard of what's going on with USDC right now? It's kind of got everybody on edge. You know, we got CKB down 6% on the day, down 26 on the week, down 9.6 on the year. Let's just look at the charts here really quick because in the last few videos, you know, when price was up around 0.006, I was kind of telling you to watch out for this harmonic pattern. I didn't think that we would see prices come down this far, but in the last video, we were hung up right at the 61.8, and I was telling everybody how some traders always buy the 61.8, but some traders will only buy the 786. Not saying that you should buy anything right now because the market is volatile, but we do have price action that moved down maybe, what is this, 15-20% from the 61.8. Yeah, roughly 16%. And I do think that we could possibly see a wick down to this 0.0032-ish level, I'm going to call this. Yeah, it is what it is. And since this was a harmonic pattern up here, I do want to see something here. I want to see if this is like the 161.8 down here. Based off this. Okay, this is more or less the 200%. Yeah, so I mean, man, I do think that right now it is possible for price to come down and wick this 0.0032-ish level. I do think that price is pretty far from this Ichimoku cloud, and this is the 4-hour chart. So let's, you know, man, I'm just trying to think here. We could get a little bit of a bump and then come back down here, maybe to test this 50 moving average and drop back down. This is just such a beeline down that it wouldn't surprise me if we hit this 786. Like, people have been selling like crazy. But let's just check this out on the daily chart and see where we're at. Damn. Okay, so the last few days, we have fallen through the Ichimoku cloud. It was a great run above the Ichimoku cloud on the daily, but it looks like now price is testing this 200 moving average. We got 23 hours left on this candle, so hopefully we can get some sort of a bounce. Now, I do want to revisit this at a super high level here. And I want to look at the daily chart. We're on it right now. All right. And for the longest time, folks, I've been telling everybody, you know, for like the last 9-10 months when price was over here, I was telling people, watch out for the possibility of some sort of inverse head and shoulders. And I hope that we get this. I hope we get this bounce off this 200 moving average, because this is a very important level on the daily chart right now. You can see massive support and resistance along this plane. So I'm hoping we don't come down for a double bottom. You You know, if it happens, this inverse head and shoulders pattern will pretty much be dead in the water. Let's just scoot down to the 1 hour chart just to kind of see what exactly is going on here. Currently, we got a double bottom going on, so there could be this opportunity for a what's called a descending triangle. We could see price maybe bounce around up in here and maybe break out of that. Whether or not we come down and hit that 0.0032-ish level, you know, I think at this point it's very possible that we will. We're just so close. But we will keep monitoring the price of CKB in the news and in the ecosystem, and I think we will probably just be doing a quick price video tomorrow once all this USDC dust kind of settles and things, the volatility cools off, because this has been one hell of a weekend. So if you haven't already and you've made it this far, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. Smash that like button. Here's some other videos that you might enjoy. We'll see you guys all on the next video.